So in this video, you'll learn how to revert back to the default language on your Samsung Galaxy A36. So if you've accidentally switched to the language of your A36 to something else, and you want to learn how to change it back to the default, this is what you need to do. So you want to start by navigating to settings, and if you don't recognize the language, then just look for this gear icon on your phone screen, either home or apps drawer, and then you want to tap on it to open the settings menu. Once you're in the settings menu, you want to scroll to general management. To do that, just scroll through the list, and towards the bottom, you should see this icon here with different sliders for adjustments. So you want to tap on this so that you go to the general management settings. Once you're in general management, you should see language at the very top of the menu. So just tap on it like that to open the language menu. Then from here, you can see the current system language your phone is in, and then you should also see your default language that you had been previously using. So all you need to do is simply select it like that, and then you should see this blue button appearing on your screen. This means apply. So just tap on it, wait a few seconds for the changes to be loaded, and your phone language will go back to the default option. If you don't see this language listed here, then I would recommend you tapping on add language. Then you want to use the search function, and you want to search for your language, and then search. And once you've searched and selected it like that, choose your region, and once you've selected your region, confirm that you wish to set it as your default, and then your language will now be your new default system language, taking you back to the default option. If you have any questions or comments about changing the language back to default, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.